If 3 weeks ago someone would have handed me a random sensor, I would have wondered what it even did. But now I have understood a lot about electronics and hardware in general. Talk about, just name it, microcontrollers, microprocessors, so many different types of sensors, and even a kit for soldering. I mean, I have never imagined from being a software engineer, like learning software engineer for 5 years, I would be shifting to hardware this quick. And honestly, this was the amazing part. I could show a glimpse of several sensors and the jumper wires that you could see in this, and even started to teach. I have created several videos on YouTube and unlisted them just to document my learnings. Again, in this I have several jumper wires, several different types of jumper wires, and I have Raspberry Pi and the sensors that you know, humidity sensor, rain sensor, soil sensor, the LEDs. I have like two LED displays, OLEDs, and so much. I didn't even knew that hardware was so relaxing. I mean, people could even pick this as a hobby, and this could make you such an interesting person. In this video, I'll be sharing how I learned electronics and how I'm now teaching electronics. At one point I started recording so many videos about the sensors that I had, and it was super satisfying. I mean, I loved watching these many sensors. And okay, this is my video about 2 Pro micro servo, and again I had so many servers to talk about, and I mean, this was super great opportunity and I didn't want it to miss it at any cost. Again, I'll be posting so many more videos of sensors and creating some micro projects as I move forward. I don't fear hardware. When someone gives me a random sensor, I ask simple things like, okay, power, ground, output, input, what type of output, input, like the sensor has like digital output, analog output, and just simple questions. Previously I used to fear from hardware. Okay, something that I shouldn't be touching, but now, okay, it's a piece of cake, I just need to explore more. And the challenge was that I had to create videos that even a grade 4 student could understand. Okay, that was something a real challenge. And that's how I started to understand how the flow of an explanation should be. Like, there are so many videos unlisted on my YouTube channel because I was practicing as to how I should be able to explain those concepts to a really simple manner, and to that to kids. So my explanation should be really smooth, really precise. Again, that was a challenge itself, and I loved it. And this makes me that, hey, I wasn't an electronics engineer. I was someone who was doing my masters, and my master's subject were again more inclined towards software engineering aspect itself. Like, I was shifted from machine learning, AI, Java, to breadboards, GPIO pins, PWM, voltage resistors, different types of sensors, microcontrollers, microprocessors, and whatnot. I'm still learning. There is a lot to explore: robotics, AI projects, even I have to explore some software projects, automations, and whatnot. But hey, this is a part of journey, and this is very close to my heart. I was pushing, and I happen to learn it anyway. So, yes, I am documenting everything because I want to reflect back on my learnings. Something really simplifies your learning. For example, if you understand by comparison learning, like, okay, what a microcontroller and microprocessor is, what are the differences, like understanding Raspberry Pi and Arduino Uno with comparison, this makes things quite simpler, and that's what I have created videos on. And you see, now when I see my videos, I just understand the concepts in a much better way. I have created several videos on several types of sensors, and I also added the differentiation aspect in some of the sensors. And now that I see my videos, I feel, okay, this is so simple to understand. So yes, comparison learning makes things super easy to understand, and your attention becomes powerful as well. It wasn't about electronics, it was about how we should be exploring and being open-minded. This is sort of a hobby for me now, and I'm super happy that this is something I'll be teaching to students.